my key functionaries, principal, teaching and non-teaching staffs, our very proud parents, and my eight little ones, a very good evening to one and all present here. Now, it's time to welcome to each and one of you present here this evening for the celebration of 4th Annual Cultural Meet of DAV Gurukul, which is taught at Inspiria. God has been really gracious to have chosen us to take care and nurture His most precious creation and make sure that they be the most amazing human being on this planet. Also, this journey would have been unthinkable without the immense trust and unwavering support from you all, parent community, who have been a part of DAV Gurukul Baluga. Here, I would like to mention that life is not all about textbook. We need to learn skill as well as annual function provides all the children with an excellent opportunities to learn practical like skills such as confidence, public speaking, leadership, coordination, teamwork, and so on. Good evening to all. Hope you all are enjoying our program. We have to wait a little bit moment for our chief guest because our chief guest is with us with a little bit minutes. Grateful to all of you for being present here and Swagatam, Swagatam Komal phoolon se with immense pleasure and joy, I would like to take a moment from all of you. Our chief guest and honored guests are with us now. It's a very big special moment for us. I cordially welcome our speakers, Dr. Aditya Krishna Mishra, faculty member, Central University of Koraput. Please sir, come on the stage and be seated. Guest of honor, Mr. Prasant Kumar Sahu, CRCC Baluga. Please sir, take your seat. Mrs. Nita Mahapatra ma'am, Secretary of DAV Gurukul, please ma'am, take your seat. Mr. Prasant Kumar Mahapatra, Chairman of DAV Gurukul, please sir, take your seat. Mr. Ramachandra Das sir, Principal of DAV Gurukul, please take your seat sir.
Kल्याणam, Arogyam, Dhanasambada. शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
मयूर नाचिला मेघुरर ताळे छम छम नुपुरर ताळे छम छम मेघ बरसिला मयूर नाचिला नुपुरर ताळे छम छम नुपुरर ताळे छम छम कोयली गाइला मंगल गीतिका कोयली गाइला मंगल गीतिका अतिथि घेना स्वागतम 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 सात दीप सात बंदाण थाली बंदापना करू सभिए मिली बन उपवने फूल फुटिछि सुरभि कहुछि किए आसिछि सात दीप सात बंदाण थाली बंदापना करू सभिए मिली बन उपवने फूल फुटिछि सुरभि कहुछि किए आसिछि शंख हुलहुली सुफल गनारे शंख हुलहुली सुफल गनारे घेन हे आम प्रणाम स्वागतम 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 धन्य हे अतिथि तुमको पाई भक्तिर हार देउल माई क्षमा करिब हे पूज्य अतिथि काली कि नथिब आजिर तिथि भव्य हे अतिथि तुमको पाई भक्तिर हार देउल माई क्षमा करिब हे पूज्य अतिथि काली कि नथिब आजिर तिथि अतिथि अमर ईश्वर समान अतिथि अमर ईश्वर समान नुपुर करे गुणगान स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम
Good afternoon, everybody. ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଉତ୍କଳ ଦିବସର ଶୁଭେଚ୍ଛା ଏବଂ ଶୁଭକାମନା and good afternoon, respected chief guest of honor, and our secretary ma'am, chairman sir, and who are absent on the way, our academic advisors and all the management member staffs, dear teachers, loving parents, and my little chance, dear students. It gives me immense of the pleasure to welcome you all to our fourth annual function, DAV Gurukul Balugaon in Speria. This special occasion is a celebration of our students' talents, achievements, and hard working throughout the years. Our school has always believed in holistic development of every child, along with academic excellence. We encourage the creativity, discipline, and the value of the help of our students grow into responsible citizens. Today's program is a reflection of that spirit where the learning meets expression and effort turns into performance. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our dedicated teachers whose continuous guidance and commitment make our event possible. I thank the parents for their constant support and trust in your institution. And I also thanks to managing committee for the supporting to success every activity of school. Dear student, this stage is yours, and you are the talent with confidence and enjoy the moment. Remember, the participation and learning are more important than winning. Once again, I warmly welcome everyone and hope you have a wonderful and memorable evening. Now, I want to identification of our guests. Then, our chief guest, Mr. Prabhu Prasann Behera, sir, Advocate, Standing Counsel of Odisha High Court, is very simple and kind person. He fight and to give the justice for the people. He is not only the advocate, but also a motivational speaker. So now, I would like request to Secretary Ma'am to offering the badges and facilitated toward the chief guest. Please, ma'am. Big hands, please. Next, our speaker, Mr. Aditya Kesari Mishra, the faculty member of Central University of Koraput, has been trailblazer in the field of education and the Odia music. He is not only the professor, but also a singer of our Odia industries. Now, I would like to request Mr. Chairman sir, please to offering the badges and facilitate in your speakers. Academic advisors, Mr. Jyoti Prakash Tripathi sir. Now he reaches in our with us and join with us. Please big hands, please come sir. We are waiting for you sir. Now our guest of honor, guest of honor, or the keynote speaker, Mr. Prashant Kumar Sahu sir, the CRC Chapa, Balughat is a helping nature and kind person. His excellent work to motivate us. Now, I would like to request Mr. Miss, please come to give the offering badges.
Welcome sir, Jyoti sir, our academic director sir, please sir.
Now, the award managing committee, the chairperson of DAV Gurukul, our school, Mr. Prashant Kumar Mahapatra, is a simple man and a kind-hearted person. His support is very much essential for our school. Now, I would like to request Miss come to the stage and give the badges and. Of the DAV Gurukul, our secretary ma'am of DAV Gurukul, Ms. Smita Mahapatra, is a very energetic lady, and she is not just a woman of achievements, but a symbol of dedication and strength of excellence. Now, I would like to Sonali Miss, please come to the stage and give the badges and felicitations. Academic advisor, Mr. Jyoti Prakash Tripathi, always support us in front of every activities and back support to us. And he is a visionary person. His dedication and hard work and commitment is excellent and inspired the many and set the shining example for all of us. Now, I would like to request Priyali Miss to give the badges and to the felicitors. Of honor, Mr. S.S.V. Parishar, who is the advocate of the High Court. I will request to Chief Miss to come on the stage and give the badges and felicitations. advocate who is always with us at every function. His presence is very glorious moment for us. Mr. Lakshmi Hussain Sahu, I would request you to the Miss to come to the and give the badges and felicitations.